Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making grilled pork chops on the Ninja XL Smart Grill. Alright, I'm starting out here. Holly got me the Ninja XL Smart Grill for Christmas. Is that awesome or what? And I have my grill plate in here. It's heavy duty, I'm going to say cast iron grated plate, or heavy steel plate coated with a non-stick coating. I have that in there under the drip pan. I'm going to turn this on. And I'm going to set our grill setting. Now I'm going to plug in my smart thermometer. It comes on the side here, guys, and excuse me because I'm new at this. And what this does is this here hooks into our food, and it will tell us the exact amount of time that it'll cook to whatever doneness you want it set at. So I'm going to take that out. And it's magnetic on the side, which makes it really nice. I'm going to plug in a thermometer. And when you plug in the thermometer, it activates that light there, or that button. I'm going to turn this on. And we're going to select pork. And I want my pork, we're going to do medium well. So we're going over to medium well. I'm going to press start. Now this is preheating, and this will tell me to add the food when it's preheated. Alright, all my grill preheats. I have some boneless intercut chops here. I'm going to get these seasoned up. And I'm going to spray them down with just a little bit of olive oil. That's going to help keep our spices sticking to them. And I'm going to season them with some Cajun seasoning. You can season your chops with whatever you like. But also do this in a frying pan if you don't have the grill. So I'm going to go ahead and get my chops all seasoned. I'm going to turn them over, spread the other side with olive oil, and season that side up as well. Alright, my grill is warmed up. It took probably about 8 minutes for it to warm up, and it says add food. So let's go ahead and get them pork chops in there and listen for the sizzle. Alright, I'm getting my pork chops in here. Now you hear that sizzle, and that spice got me right there for a minute. I was coughing off camera. I'm going to try to fit all of these in here. It's best if you don't overcrowd it, but I don't want to do 2 rounds of pork chops, so we're just going to get them all in at once. And luckily these are smaller cuts of pork chops, so I should be able to get them in. Now this last one, I'm going to stick my meat probe thermometer in, and I'm going to stick it in the end like this. Alright, now I'm going to close my lid down, and when it's time to turn these over, this will say turn food or turn over, something like that. I'll bring it back when it's time to turn it over. Alright, where it says 118 degrees, that's what the internal temperature of pork chops are right now, and it says flip a minute ago. So I'm going to go ahead and turn them chops over. And these here literally cooked for about 4 minutes. It really wasn't that long. You can see we're getting these nice grill lines on them. And this is nice because today it's drizzling outside and it's cold, and nobody wants to be outside in a day like today, so this makes it handy for that. Now this is the one with our probe thermometer in it. So I just gotta weasel that around. Alright, I'm going to close my lid back down and let this continue cooking. Alright guys, this is done cooking. Now it says get food. I'm going to take my chops out and let them rest on a plate for about 5 minutes before we cut into them, because they're going to do some carryover cooking, and that'll help them retain some of that juice. Alright, when my pork chops were done grilling, I said I was going to take them out and put them on a plate to rest, but as soon as I opened the lid, it went right into rest mode and start counting a timer. So I let them rest in there for 5 minutes. Then when it was done resting, it said end. So I actually left the chops rest in the grill. This grill's really smart, guys. I'm loving it. I also went ahead and made some cornbread stuffing to go with this. You can see the nice grill marks on the chops. Let's cut into this and see how it looks. See, that's a nice medium well. It's cooked true to what it says. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. It's really delicious, guys. It's tender, really juicy and moist, not dry at all. The grilling added some flavor, and that Cajun seasoning on there, that's really delicious. Alright, there you have it, guys. Grilled pork chops on the Ninja Foodi Extra Large Smart Grill. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.